His is a story of determination, resilience, and vision. Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Michael Holness was first sworn in as Jamaica's Prime Minister in 2011 at the age of 39. Now he's about to step into that role for the third consecutive term.
I consider it the greatest privilege, and I do not take it lightly. The third term is not a laurel to rest upon. It is a summons to continue to serve with vision, wisdom, and integrity.
Dr. Andrew Holness's Jamaica Labour Party was re-elected to form the government following the September 3 general election, securing 35 of the 63 seats in the lower house of the Jamaican Parliament. The main opposition People's National Party won the remaining 28 seats. Prime Minister Holness says it's time to move forward.
The elections are over. We must reunite and refocus on the business of the nation. The time has come.
He called on the opposition to continue to work with his administration for the country's interest.
I extend my hand to the leader of the opposition to create a space for the national interest. Mark, let us partner together to complete the work we started on making Jamaica a republic.
He also called on all stakeholders, the church, unions, youth, the business community, and civil society to work with his team to create the society we all want. Reflecting on the country's economy in the past, noting that Jamaica's debt to GDP was once unstable, Dr. Holness says his administration will continue to stabilize public financing.
We have stabilized the ship, set the destination, and laid the foundation upon which we must build a greater vision. We have only begun to scratch the surface of Jamaica's immense potential. We are destined for more. Our people are too talented, our culture too rich, our geography too strategic, and our history too proud for us to stop short of greatness.
Dr. Holness says the next chapter is about Jamaica taking its rightful place among the greatest countries in the world. Reporting from King's House for the news on PBCJ, I'm Simone Absalom Gale.